Press Select on the target. Select VRM EBL. Press VRM to hide. Press again to show. And use the control pad to edit. You can measure two targets at the same time. That will be marked with solid and dashed lines respectively. Invoke the cursor. Select Measure. Move the cursor to the first target. Press Select. Select Set Reference. Then move to the second target. The upper right corner of the screen will show their relative bearing and distance. You can set up two guard zones around your vessel to alert you when objects enter the guard zones. Hold Alarm. Toggle on Guard Zone. Then select Adjust Guard Zone. Use the control pad to adjust corner 1. Then press Select. Select corner 2 to continue adjusting. When you are done, select Done. You can also select Circle to set up a circular guard zone. You will receive an alarm when you or other boats enter or leave the boundary. Hold Alarm. Select Boundaries. New. Let's use Area to demonstrate. Move the cursor and add point to draw the boundary. You can edit each boundary's own color, alert, and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching.